Hi, I'm Tom D, and in this video I want to show you how to install and use the newest web browser prepared by ChatGPT called Atlas. Let's start. First step is to install that web browser. So open up Safari or any other web browser that you have currently on your system, and here you can type chatgpt.com/Atlas. Or if you want to generate traffic for my blog, you can type devcoding.net/Atlas, and it will be exactly the same. You will be redirected to ChatGPT Atlas website. Here we have a button that lets you download installation file for Macintosh. Click Allow, and you can see the progress here is being downloaded, and once it's downloaded, you can click on it to start it up. Double click on it. You have a common installer view. You need to drag and drop it to applications. After hearing confirmation sound, you can open up this application in the basically type ChatGPT and click enter. Okay, it's there. Open it. You can close tabs here, the Safari, quit Safari. Now it's you and ChatGPT. Logging with ChatGPT. So this is not regular web browser. As you can see, you don't have an option to create a new tab. You don't have any option right now. First, you need to log in using your ChatGPT account. There are a bunch of notifications. You can close them. Provide your email address, your credentials. You can use Google, Apple, Microsoft, or log in with your cell phone. I'm using my own account. And there is a question for your full name. I'll type Tom D, and it can be anything actually. Let's have it like this. Why not? Import data from another web browser. No, I don't have another web browser. Turn on web browser memories. Allow ChatGPT to remember useful details. Yes, I want to turn it on. Continue. Make your cursor collaborator. Continue. Yes, let's have it as a default. Use ChatGPT Atlas. Yes. Welcome to Atlas. Okay, done. Now what I want to explore is the way how this ChatGPT Atlas web browser can act as a web browser for inspection on other websites. So I will go directly to website. devcoding.net, and I'll type testing. Accept all cookies. Okay, I'm on my test website. Your microphone. Okay. Okay, now let's go. ChatGPT. Sensitive info, check. Okay, let's go. Maybe later. Okay, ask anything. What I want to check authentication tokens. So for example, if I want to download this video, I want to check authentication tokens. I want to investigate how I can download this video on that particular website. So let's ask the ChatGPT how to do it. I want to download videos from this website. Okay, it cannot help me. That's interesting. Look into network on devtools and find out M3U8 playlist for me. Oh, that's interesting. Doesn't have access. That's strange. So actually it's useless then. What can I say? I can duplicate this tab, go to the home, and ask about simple, maybe later, what this website site is about. How you score quality on that website. Content quality 9 out of 10. Technical accuracy, author credibility, site design usability, overall quality score. Topics jump into intermediate level discussion quickly. Web representation, okay, yes. Please evaluate, please evaluate. Okay, there is some summary here. Okay, at least it's working like that. I'll go to another platform then. Let's see how it will switch the context, because here I am having the context. Okay, it switched automatically the context, so that's good. Because when I'm going from one website to another, I don't need to update or add this current website to the context. It's automatically updated over here. So what you can say about this website now? That's the question. It's official learning platform connected function, okay, mastery. Quality impression. Special, okay, how to, okay, specialized, okay. Okay, so it's giving me the good scores. I don't know how I can rely on these scores from ChatGPT Atlas, or actually from ChatGPT, because this is ChatGPT here. Not bad. Let's come back here. What I wanted to check, if I will right click here, I can see inspect. That's important for me because I will go to the network. And now I can see some traffic, but I cannot ask ChatGPT about this. That would be very useful if I can search using large language model and parse all these responses, because I can, for example, if I will search for M3U8, okay, there is not available, I can refresh that page, M3U8. If I will see the video M3U8 and I can see the content of that playlist, I want to ask, for example, about this AS128 key via the chat. I want to add the devtools context into the chat. Unfortunately, I can do it only by copying and pasting, for example, this thing. Or maybe I can do like this. Copy, ask Carl, and ask ChatGPT. Okay, it's trying to reply to me. I can stop it because this is not what I want. Okay, I will try another thing. I will go to a particular article and I will ask, hello ChatGPT, please tell me what this website is about and give me the key points that I should remember after reading this article, and also please judge this article on the quality, on the SEO, and everything. Just give me overall score. Okay, I created something like this. Hello, okay. It translates the speech into the text, and now I can submit. Okay, it gives article summary. Okay, it's working like that. Readability, C optimization, overall score, education value 9 out of 10. So not bad, I'm happy with my articles then. What can I do now? Let's go to Wikipedia, or maybe I can ask about something. Show me fly radar or radar. Okay, let's go maybe later. Okay, I can go to the fly radar 24. Agree and close. Okay, where I am here, maybe. I can ask. Let's see if we can see something. Why in the middle of the map I can see empty space and no aircrafts. Aircrafts. Okay, so see, it can recognize that I'm right now looking over Ukraine, and this is due to the Ukrainian war started in 2022. Okay, cool. So I can proceed to Google Map. Google.com. Okay, some cookie stuff. Okay, and I can ask here what countries you can see on the map that exists more than 300 years from now. Egypt, Lebanon, Syria, Saudi Arabia, Palestine. Okay, so it can parse the map. Okay, can I calculate maybe the square? So I'm here on the Palermo, Sicilia. Okay, let's ask. What island you can see on the map, and what is area size? Sicily country. Okay, it can give me some details. Very, very cool. You can search through the map and ask question about the context here. And okay, now tell me, what causes break in flights in 2010 over Europe. Please mark it on the map. Eyjafjallajökull, a volcano located in Iceland. what happens. Okay, so it can do it. Annotated map. Yes, please create annotated map. Yes, please create. As you can see, it can see the context. Whatever you are seeing on the screen, it can understand that there is a map or there is a flight radar showing the empty airspace over the Ukraine. Here you can see the map being interpreted properly. Now it's creating some annotated map showing the volcano's location and the approximate spread of the ash cloud over Europe. Okay, now map is created. So I can click on this, maybe double click. Oh, doesn't work to open it like this, but I can download it and open it here. Yeah, so there's a picture showing the ash cloud in 2010, but volcano definitely is not here. It was in Iceland. It's not so precise. Okay, so that was about map services. What else we can check? We can go to Amazon.com. Click button below to continue shopping. Okay, so I would check the graphic cards. And click search. This means, okay, now I want to ask which graphic card is useful for AI. Which GPU is useful for machine learning? Or not, and just recommend me something. Okay, so it's creating this context, so card series or higher. Okay, give me URL so I can open it and buy it. Okay, let's see if this URL is exactly what. Yeah, it's from Amazon.com. Yeah, so as you can see, you can use it for shopping, for recommendations. Actually, I'm wondering what about the pages, because here you don't see so many options, but some shops can let you display like hundreds. For example, here we have 1 to 16 over 1,000 results, and some websites offering you to display over 1,000 results. And the question is, will it be part of the context or it will be truncated? I don't have option here to modify how many items I can see on the screen, but some shops allowed us to see it. Okay, I can go somewhere else then. Create a new tab. Give me a website with free text of Hamlet book. Okay, available to read online. Okay, maybe this is MIT site. Okay, so this is long text, okay? This is long text. Analyze whole text and give me short 50 characters summary. Okay, so yeah, it can parse. I believe it can create chunks here on the fly and load it to the ChatGPT piece by piece. Anyways, this video was about that, to have a quick overview what this web browser can do, what it cannot do. Definitely it can do the picture analyze over whatever you see on the screen. It can give you the answers based on the pictures like map. It can recommend you the products or the websites in the shop. You can also summarize some documents here. But for me, I'm missing the inspect. I'm missing that I cannot use development tools and put them into the context, because definitely it will be useful to search through it to find the patterns. Otherwise I still need to copy paste. So that what I was looking for is not there. But that's me. You might be fine with it. I encourage you to visit the learning platform. You might find high quality courses. Like you can see the ChatGPT judging it really high, so it makes sense. You can check yourself and be happy. You have a discount. You can find it in the description. 10%. Thank you for watching and see you next time. Have a nice coding. Bye.